Hey everybody, it's Christine, and today I have a planning video for you. Now, it has been a little while since I've had a video for you. I have been pretty busy with life. We have a big event at our church that I'm in charge of. We have basketball going and just a lot of things. So I decided I wanted to sit down and do something to share with you, and I really need my planner to be in line for this week. So I thought I would dive into that. Now, I've taken a new approach to my traditional planner, and that is putting it into a timed fashion, inspired by my friend Wendy. And so you will see me doing that here in just a little bit. But one of the things that I did today was I took the aftermath leftovers of one of my page kits from the ScrapRoom this month. This is the Pebbles Christmas collection, and I have already done a layout with it. That's ready to roll for another video, but I had lots of leftovers, and so I decided, you know what, I'm going to use some more of those and put them into my planner. So that's what you are seeing today. You're seeing my Paper House Productions planner with Pebbles stickers, papers, washi, all kinds of stuff in it. So as you can see, I've lined the entire bottom row with patterned papers, and I just cut those out to fit into each square and used one of each patterned paper pretty much. The only one I did double of was the green, just because I wanted an extra pop of green in there. And then I'm also covering up the left-hand column with green there. Now, part of the reason I'm doing that is because this planner doesn't really have Christmassy colors to it, but I want it to look Christmassy. So that is the beauty of a planner, and kind of the fun part, if you take it to the creative, decorative side of things, is transitioning it to work with the products that you have on hand, the season that's at hand, all that stuff. And so that is what you are seeing me do, transform it from the colors that it came with to make it work for the Christmas season. Now, right now, I have taken out my ruler and I am using a pencil to mark my lines. This is where I am going to turn it into a timed planner. I'm going to give it lines, and my lines in this case are 1 centimeter tall, and I'm going to add in hours to both sides, and this way I've got my whole week timed out, so I can look at it and say, okay, this morning is really busy, or holy smokes, all our nights are busy. Just gives me a different visual approach to things, and I've been doing this for about a month now, and I really love it. Now, as I said, it was inspired by my friend Wendy Antonucci. She started doing this in her Paper House planner, and there's a whole group of us that have just jumped right on that bandwagon. Such a great idea and so practical. Now, if you want a little laugh, look at my numbers there that I just put in there. I totally left the noon hour off on that side. Duh. Now, like I said, I'm busy, and you know, the funny thing with this is I have, every single time I have messed up the numbers. Somehow, I've gone like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, or today I left off 12. So you adjust, you fix it. In my case, you'll see I'm going to cover it up with washi and just move my numbers up or over to the other side. But it just kind of made me laugh when I realized what I did, and I was like, yep. You know how that goes. So you can see I'm adding all that in, and I am using a Papermate Flare pen. I really like these ones. They're a felt tip, and there's a lot of pens that I really like, but this one is really nice. Specifically, the colors seem to really work for me, and it doesn't bleed through, so I like that aspect of it as well. Now, here's where you can see I'm covering up the messed up numbers with washi. This washi coordinates perfectly with that pretty blue floral paper that you're seeing at the top there. Now, this is my most favorite part. This is the part where I pull in the embellishments. Now, I have lots of stickers left over, and I also have lots of ephemera left over. And so I am going to pull both of those in and see how much I can use up without being completely crazy. So I'm going to start off decorating along the bottom there, along those patterned papers, and just adding in different stickers and stuff. And then I'll take a break, and I will fill in my times of where I actually have things on my schedule. And then I'll go back and add in more stickers where I have room to add in stickers. I don't want this to become so busy and so lacking in white space that I can't fill things in during the week as they come in. So I do try and leave a good chunk of white space on there, but there's also some stickers on this that I really wanted to use, like that sloth that you just saw me use, or saw me trying to use. It didn't work out to use him yet, but it will. So you can see I'm just taking different stickers and trying them out. I'm not sticking them down too hard at this point, but just kind of trying them out, trying to create some little scenes and that kind of stuff all along the bottom there. Now you can see where I've landed with most of my stickers on there. I've added in my writing, and I'm going to just add in a few finishing touches there. Now I didn't get to use up a whole lot of my ephemera, so maybe this will make another appearance later on, but I did get a lot of stickers in, and there you go. I see I have some free mornings there, so I'm going to put the sloth there because, you know, I want to be lazy those mornings. And just add in, you know, I'm going to add in a couple of little stickers here and there, ornaments and stuff. So lots of fun. Great way to use up your leftovers from a kit or from a collection, whatever you may have. Because, you know, by the time we get through the Christmas season, we're not going to be using these quite as much anymore. And so this is a great way to make use of them and polish it off. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you again soon.